So we want to look at theorem 3, which says that angle at the same segments are equal. Angle at the same segments are equal. So if we have the angle this way, we connect this point to this point. We also connect this point to this point. We will label this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Now what we want to prove is the angle at the same segment is to prove that this angle and this angle are equal. That is, angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Maybe we put M here and we put N here. So we want to prove that angle M is equal to angle N. That is what we are required to prove. Now, how do we do this? We take this point as the center of the circle. When you are dealing with circle theorem, any point inside the circle can be the center of the circle, provided that that point is not touching the circumference. This point can be center, this can be the center. Any point inside the circle can be the center of the circle. So what we do now, let's take this is center O, then we join OA, we also join OD. That is a small construction that we need to have. That is, join OA and join OD. We are joining the 2 points together. Now this, if you look at this OAD now, this angle, this has given us a small arc, which is representing angle at the center. So it means that if I put X here, X is representing angle at the center. Because if you look at this very well, this OAD, which is an arc, and compare to ABD, this is angle at the center and this is angle at the circumference. If you also look at this, this is angle at the center, this is also angle at the circumference. Now if you are to interpret this very well, what we are having here is this. We are having, this is the first one, this is the second one. Now look at it, the first one goes this direction. We have the first one this way, then this is OA. Now look at it, this is angle, this is S, this is A, this is D, then this is point B. Then let's look at the second one goes this way. So this is S, this is D, this is C, and this is point A. So this is angle at the center that twice angle at the circumference. This place is N. Also look at it, this is angle at the center that twice angle at the circumference. This is M. So these two circles that we have here is what we are having inside here. So if you now look at it, if you have to prove that this angle is equal to this angle, we need to consider this. So therefore, angle S is equal to 2M. That is 2 multiplied by angle M. Also, angle S is equal to 2 times angle N. That is angle at the center twice angle at the circumference. Twice angle at the circumference. Now, if angle S is equal to 2n and the same angle S is equal to 2n, which means that 2m, that is 2 multiplied by angle M, is equal to 2 multiplied by angle N. If you divide both sides by 2, 2 will remove 2, 2 will remove 2. So we now have angle M is equal to angle N. Let's go back to this. You can see this is M, this is N. We can now change it to ABD is equal to ACD. Proved. So this is how to prove that angle at the same segment are equal.